Okay, welcome to my channel. This video, we had a tool company called Dynamic Tools reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to review some of their tools, and they told me to go on their website and pick out the set that I wanted, the socket set, and or that I wanted to review, and they would send it to me. And guess what? They did. So let's get the camera turned around and get into it. This is going to be a good one. Okay, as you can see, we're going to start off by showing their website. We're in my computer room, studio, whatever you want to call it, where I do my live streams. Anyway, this is their website. I'm on their About page. And as you can see, whoops. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, you see where it says, hold on, let me see if I can get my, sorry about the shakiness. Dynamic Tool Store. The store is owned and operated by Gray Tools. So that's awesome. Gray Tools is up in Canada, I believe. I've heard of them, never heard of Dynamic Tools. That's sweet. It says the vast majority of Dynamic Tools is manufactured in Taiwan, backed by Gray Tools, lifetime warranty. And of course right here, let's see, where am I at? Right here it says Gray Tools are manufactured in Canada, USA, Germany, Italy, and Spain. That's awesome. This is just, I'm just showing this for people that didn't know anything about Dynamic Tools. I didn't know they was part of Gray Tools. Again, that's awesome. All right, well, let's get back out to the garage and get into the tools, right? Okay, this is the package that it was in. Let's see, where's the part number? There's the part number. You see it there? Lifetime warranty. Half-inch drive, 12-point, 41-piece, standard SAE and metric socket set. Well, standard and SAE is the same thing. And there's a glimpse of them. But I was a little confused because I was waiting on the stuff to come in from Dynamic. This box came in today. It says Gray Warehouse, Gray Tools, Canada. I was like, huh. I didn't know they was part of Gray Tools. That's why I wanted to go in there and show you their website. Okay, now, one of them I chose from, I think I told him like 3 different sets, and they wanted to send me this one, which was fine. This is one of the ones I picked, but I didn't know it came with in a case. One of them I was looking at came in a case, but anyway, this is pretty dang cool. Pretty nice case too. I'm probably not going to take it out of this case. I mean, until I use the tools. Check these tools out. These things are sweet. Half-inch drive, and the metric, it goes from 10 all the way to 28. No skips. Let's see, let me look, make sure. Yep, no skips. That's pretty awesome. A lot of sets skip a lot of sizes, like 25. Anyway, and the let's see, the standard set goes from 3/8 all the way up to 1 5/16 inches. That's freaking awesome. And then of course you got 2 extensions, a swivel, a breaker bar, and a ratchet and a little speed handle type breaker bar. In fact, I used to have one of these. I think it was a Craftsman or some brand. I don't remember what brand it was, but I had one. Anyway, let me get these over there on the table and look at them a little closer. Okay, first up, I'm not going to get the camera and show you the tools in the case because I just did that, right? I'm not going to take every piece. Oh wow, I didn't realize that. That's kind of cool. See the extensions? Did you notice that though? When I showed it in the case? I guess that means you can put a wrench on it if you don't have enough room to get your ratchet on it. That's pretty cool. Both the extensions is made that way. Like I said, now the tools, or at least the extension don't, or the swivel. Neither does the extension I just picked up. The ratchet, it doesn't either. They don't actually say, get a socket and look. This is a 23. They don't actually say made in Taiwan, but they are because box says they are. But knowing they're part of Gray Tools. Okay, sorry about that. Battery went dead. Anyway, like I was saying, knowing they're part of Gray Tools, that's pretty awesome. I know they don't make them; they're made in Taiwan, but I guess you can see that. They're quality tools. The laser etching is awesome on it. Let's see. They're covered in oil too, which is good. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's the 28 millimeter. Of course, 12 point. I am very impressed with these tools. The laser etching is kind of, I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. Usually it's they call it laser etching, but usually it just feels like it's more of a printed on and they end up wearing off. But this is you can actually feel this. This is pretty cool. I'm excited to get to use these, put these to the test. And of course, when I do, if I have any problems with them, I'll let you know. But they seem to be very good. A lot better than some. Let me rephrase that. They're a lot better than a lot of tools out there. Thank you very much for sending these to me. Like I said, I did not pay for these. They sent these to me for me to do a review. So that's what I'm doing. And I look forward to working with them more and reviewing more of their products if they want to. But I really can't wait to get to use these, try these things out. And here's this in case you didn't know what this is. You can slide it to the middle, or you can slide it all the way to one end. whichever way you want to go with it. If you can slide it to the middle, use it as a speed handle. I'm sure everybody has seen this, or this type of tool. It's pretty awesome. Now the tools don't actually clip into the case like I thought they did. They just sit in the case. But I guess the case is made good enough to where they're not going to go anywhere. Just like most tools, they come with a little rubber or a little foam pad in it. And it came with this, and look at this. Check this out. They even have toolboxes. Tell me that ain't awesome. Here, I'll just slide it over and let you look at the stuff. The side I'm looking at over here is in a different language. Now you see that right there? Let's see, hold on. Oh, it don't even have the, oh yeah it does. It says Dynamic Tools. .ca for the website. The website I was just on in there is Shop Dynamic Tools. And I think you go to their support page or tab. If you buy these tools and you have any problems with them to get a warranty, that's how you get a warranty, lifetime warranty. Now if you do buy these tools from them, you go to dynamictools.ca or Shop Dynamic Tools and you purchase them, I don't get any kickback on it. But I think somewhere I read it says you get, I think it was on their website, you get 15% off your first order. But like I said, I don't get any kickback from it. So if you buy them, you get 15% off your first order. Or at least I don't think I get any kickback from it. They haven't given me any kind of code or anything like that, so I'm sure I don't. And that's fine. I don't need to get any kind of kickback from it. That's what my Amazon store is for. Now I don't know if you can find these on Amazon or not. Maybe you can, I haven't looked, I don't know. But even if you can, well, I may or may not put it on my Amazon store. Just for the simple fact that you get a 15% discount if you buy them from them versus Amazon. So I would rather you get a discount and a kickback per se than by ordering them from them than me getting any money. That way it saves you money. Anyway, this kit is awesome. Like I said, it's metric and standard. I showed you all the different sizes. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting it to turn out to be this good. Like I said, I've never heard of them. And now that I know they're part of Dynamic, now that I know Dynamic Tools is part of Gray Tools, I'm very, very pleased with them. Along with the fact that they ended up being very good tools. So anyway, I know everybody's been waiting on this. Show the ratchet, show the ratchet. Okay, here's the ratchet. Can you see that? Let's see. See, it locks it on. Everybody knows what the push buttons are for. That's cool. Oh, wait a minute. Check this out. To be honest with you, I don't know how many teeth this is supposed to have. Hold on and I'll check and see if it says. All right, here's the back of the box. And look right there. Dynamic is a registered trademark of Gray Tools Canada. Awesome. I've heard a lot of good stuff about Gray Tools. I've never owned any, but a lot of people swear by them. Anyway. See, this is what they showed. So I thought they was going to come like this, just in a package or something. I didn't realize they was going to come in that cool case. But anyway, here's all the stuff. I've already showed it once, but I'll show you this. Well, I didn't show this. I showed the tools themselves. There's all the sizes. 5-inch extension, 10-inch, and look here, 10-inch extension, and 45-tooth ratchet. I don't know. Tell me y'all's thoughts on the 45 tooth. Seems to be a pretty good ratchet though. Alright. I don't think I've picked this up. So let's pick this up and show you this. Where's that? Should be right there somewhere. There you go. The breaker bar. It does have a bolt in there so you can tighten it up if you need to. It has ball detents in it. You see that? That's pretty good. I like that. Like I said, this case is so sweet. I am not taking these tools out of this case. They're going to stay in the case. Only problem is the big boy over there is full, so as far as the socket drawers, I don't know where I'm going to put them. I'll have to figure out something, right? But anyway, that's all I got for this video. Like I said, thank you Dynamic Tools or Gray Tools for sending me these and giving me the opportunity to do a review on them. I really do appreciate that. They're great tools. That's all I got for this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.